can you tell me what is your goal? Why you want to learn this language?
Oh, for learning, for English learning. So exactly, there is no specific goal that I have to achieve any other job. Not like that. But
Mhm.
because I'm here, only I'm passionate about this, and also this is a it becomes a global language. So we should know this. Because I also know only one language, Hindi, that is my mother tongue also. So I just
Mm.
thought I should improve at least one language. So I just one thought that time I realized yeah English is better for learning, because if I want to learn some other language, so that time maybe I couldn't find the content very easily, but English is better, so we can find it anyway. So that's why I started, and I'm here now.
Okay. Well, according to me, you should set a goal because without a goal, you will never know where you have to reach. Let me give you an
Yeah,
example. Suppose you are in the ship and you are the captain of the ship. If you do not know the destination, you will end up reaching nowhere.
yeah,
So first set a goal for yourself that by this, by 1 month or by 6 months of time, I will reach, I will become, either I will improve my pronunciation or I will, reach to this level. You can set uh, any goal. So it
okay.
will help you. Every day you can, remind yourself that, okay, every day, even single step will take you closer to your goal. If you
Yeah,
do
yeah,
not
right.
have any goal, you will take things easily. And I guess, I believe, being a teacher, you know it very well.
Yeah,
You
right,
must
right.
have been, yeah, you must have been telling your student that do not hurry up. Usually students do that. Just before the exam they take their notebooks and start learning.
Yeah, right. You are saying absolutely right. So definitely, I will set some goals for this. And yeah, right now I'm just thinking about this, that what I have to do next for this level. Because
Mhm.
now I'm here, so yeah, just I have to do something. Yeah, I will
Okay,
set very soon.
sure. Great. So is it your first session with me on English Yari, or you have already, had a conversation with any other tutors on this platform?
Yeah, I have another session with Ashutosh, Mr. Ashutosh sir,
Okay.
also Mr. Atul sir.
Okay. So how was your experience so far?
No, experience was nice, and it is still nice, and I think will be nice in the whole session.
Okay. So do you think this platform could help you to reach, to help you to improve or enhance your, communication skills?
Yeah, I started only because of this purpose, because my purpose to enhance my. So why not? If I'm dedicated for anything, then definitely it will happen. And yeah, as far as English Yari, and I think it is also necessary. It's a good platform as like other. Okay, as Indian tutor, you are when you are communicating with them, so that time it is easy for you to express your thought. So for that, I think English Yari is good, and Vikas sir is doing great.
Great, great. Okay, so what would you like to discuss today? Would you like to speak on the topic which is shared by Vikas, or you would like to have a conversation on any random thing about your experience, about the memories? If you would like to share about your journey, how did you get into this profession, and
Okay.
how is your experience so far?
Mhm. So yeah, anything, whatever we can discuss.
Oh, it is up to you. It is up to you. If you ask me, I am open to have a conversation on
I
any random topic or the topic which is shared by Vikas, job.
Yeah, yeah, job. Yes, it's a common topic, I think.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I would like to know about your journey, as you mentioned that you are here from the last 5 years. So you have been here. So
On this
yeah,
platform?
not this platform, but you are learning English, and also I think you have some extra, knowledge about this language. So might be if you have something, then you can share with me.
Okay, not an issue. See, my experience so far is pretty, wonderful, because when I have started learning this language, initially what happened after completing my graduation, I went to, one company and attended one interview. In that interview, interviewer HR asked me, "Can you please tell me something about yourself?" And the moment she asked me, I was like, "Okay, my name is Imtiaz. Recently, I have completed my graduation from so and so university." That's it. She asked me again, "That's it. Haven't you, pursued any other, professional certification? Don't you, want to add few more things
Yes,
about the,
yes.
background?" And
Mhm.
in one interview, I still remember HR asked me, "Can you please tell me about the background?" So I got confused. Which
Uh,
background she was asking me? I told her, "Okay, I am from, commerce background."
oh,
So this is how, this journey started. Then I started thinking, okay, this language is very important. I need to improve. And it took me, a lot of years to realize where I was, making mistakes. I have enrolled for several institute. I had taken, spoken English classes, and every time they used
mhm.
to teach me grammar rules.
Yes, yes, like this.
And one point of time, I got terrified,
Oh,
and I thought, when I will start speaking, if I always, learning the same thing again and again, again and again, and I used to think a lot before making any sentence. I used to take
yes, yes.
pauses. I used to think, okay, what should I use? Adjective, noun, pronoun, future
Yeah.
tense, past tense, parts. I was confused in that only.
Mhm.
After that, I stopped. I stopped and started learning my own. Started following few YouTubers, listening
Okay.
to podcasts and all. Then slowly, I started finding people with whom I can, converse in English.
Okay. So, wow. Means you took many times, and it's a really long times with you.
Yeah,
And
absolutely. Because
so,
I have, hmm,
out of
yeah,
these
please.
uh, online platform, you also have been on some offline classes, as you mentioned, na? So,
Hmm.
like you started from that. So, how
Hmm.
was your? Means, yeah, you were saying like this on that platform, you have just whatever only learning about grammar.
Hmm.
So, what is the other thing that how you realize that now I'm, better than earlier. Now I'm so better than earlier, and I can speak in English and I can communicate with other person. So when you realized this,
No, I did not, realize I what I do. I started speaking with people, whoever I used to meet.
okay,
This pandemic really helped me a lot. When this pandemic started, I started, looking for people who are eager to learn, who are on the same ship.
okay,
I started looking for those guys, and fortunately, I ended up finding one WhatsApp group.
yes, yes,
In that group, there were like, more than 90 plus people from across India, and few were absolutely, amazing. They were speaking flawlessly.
mm,
Few guys were working from, HSBC, Indian Oil Corporation, and most of the guys were, at the managerial level. So that, that one thing gave me a push, gave me a lot of confidence in me.
yeah. I
In
think
that 2 to 3 months,
we are in some group like this. You are saying so that time we can just think about this. Yeah, we should like this. We should be like them. So yeah, I also started, I also started like this whatever you say from one group. So that was a WhatsApp group, and yeah, I was not on there and in this group for so long. Now I'm not over there. But whatever I learned, that is, yes, if you want to speak, so you should practice, and practice not only by audio call. I started to practice with audio call. So, but that time, okay, on audio call, I'm so comfortable, no problem. But yeah, I realized that video, whenever we face video call, okay, mirror system, it's also right, because mirror, it makes us a little bit confident. But face to face conversation with someone else, so that is the some nervousness if you are talking from the first time. So I thought, okay, I should start. I should start, and then I started and on Skype from one group that is English to English. So from one group, so over there I found 2 to 3 guys, and then one of my friend, he told me about English Yari. Then I thought, okay, this is better from here and there if we are searching here and there for a partner to speaking. So this is also better. So now I'm here.
Great, great. Mhm. I don't, I have even give it a try for standing before the mirror, and I used to speak.
Yes, yes.
Then again, I realized how it is going to help me to improve my confidence, how it is going to, remove the fear I have in my head whenever I used to speak in front of anyone in person. The moment they start speaking, I used to, fear. I used to have a fear and I used to sweat a lot.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my journey was so difficult. Because of the English, I have lost many opportunities.
Oh my God.
I
Some.
didn't get selected. Yeah, I didn't get selected for a multinational company just because of my communication. I didn't have, confidence enough to prove my skills.
Yeah, because in multinational company, yeah, English is must and your communication skill is also must. You should be a
Yeah,
good communicator. So right
yeah.
in
I,
MS.
hmm, I
Yeah, yeah.
realized one thing. I figure
Mhm.
out one thing. Only thing you need is your confidence. If you are confident enough, you can win any race. Only thing you need is confidence. You should always
Yeah, yeah,
up
right.
your chin, chin up and be confident that yes, I can do it. No problem. Even if you are, fumble while speaking, just shift, change the topic,
Oh,
try to be relevant. If you do not find any word related to the topic which you are speaking, shift it to another topic.
okay.
Just make the conversation, effective. That's it. This way the person with whoever you are talking won't feel like you are not able to, uh, share your thoughts effectively. Don't let him or her realize that you are not good in this language.
Yes,
Try
right.
different tricks.
Oh, yes, different tricks. Why not? So I think you had tried, so that's why you are mentioned here.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
you tell me one example, any one example. So at that time you realize, so now here I have to shift from one topic to another topic.
It happens many times. Even, these days when I am talking to you and any other, when I feel like, I'm not getting it, happens because we are not, we are learning this language as a second language. It is not our mother tongue. Even
Right.
I speak Hindi when I am at home, whenever I,
Yes,
meeting
yes.
with my friends, it is my mother tongue.
Yeah,
So being learning this language as a second language, many times it happens. I get, stuck.
yeah, right, right.
Whenever I get stuck, I try to find alternative. If I am unable to find alternative, I suddenly, move, change the topic to another one. I ask, questions. Suppose we
Mhm.
are discussing on, petrol price hikes.
Yes, yes, right. Okay.
If we are talking, and if I am not aware,
Mm-hmm.
how should I be aware if I am not reading newspaper, if I am not hearing about why petrol price hiking every day? I
Yeah,
cannot share my thoughts.
definitely.
If other person is well versed, he or she has gone through entirely, she can he can or she can speak on this topic. If I am unable to put my thoughts, I simply change the shift the topic to another one. Okay, so what are your views on the politics, or what are you doing, where you've been from long time? So this will change the topic, shift the topic for few minutes or few seconds. So meanwhile I can check, or I can collect all my thoughts.
Okay. So, I got new things from your side that shift from one topic to another topic.
Yeah.
And yes, definitely, I think if sometime whenever I feel like this, so I will try to do this
Sure,
because
sure. You should try. You should give it a try. It
I,
takes time, because
yeah,
you shouldn't make, you should not make other feel like you are, deliberately changing the topic, because
oh,
it appears.
okay,
Suppose all of a sudden, if we are talking on one thing, and suddenly you ask something not related to the topic, speaker, listener or speaker feel like you are not interested to talk to him or her. So you should not, you should be aware that you are not, going out of the context.
okay.
Try to be relevant.
Try to be relevant. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. People like to hear when, when you ask about themselves,
Mm-hmm.
about their journey, about their experience, about their health. When
Mm-hmm.
you ask related question to them, they love to share their journey. So you can ask.
Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, Nat, uh, could you tell me that you are in profession job in also, okay, and right now you are in this platform, so how are you, because our topic was also job, so how are you balancing both of them, your work along with this your tutor, how are you
Okay, teaching
balancing them?
here.
Yeah.
Okay. Since this second pandemic started, I am
Yes.
working from home. So just because of working from home, I am getting ample of time. I am managing my office work and this tutoring work.
So you are taking advantage of work from home.
Absolutely, absolutely. But I may not be available from this Monday, coming Monday, because just now I got a call from a manager. He wants everyone to
Mm-hmm.
report on Monday, this coming Monday.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
nice to hear. And yeah, so should we talk about something or topic?
absolutely. But we have left with only
I
1 or 2 minutes.
yeah, yes, only 2 minutes. I want to from your side. I want to know from your side that our topic was a government job versus private job. So what would be better? Means how's your feeling? What is pros and cons? And what's your perspective for
Pros,
this?
pros
And
and
for
cons. See, it totally depends on person to person. If you want stability, then I would suggest to go for a government job. Only initial days, until you get the job, until you secure the job, you have to give 100% for learning, for examination and all. Once you get the job, then you will be, uh, living your life like, king.
yeah,
You do
yeah.
not need to worry a lot about, because job security,
Yes, yes. Job security.
job security is there. When you get a government job, you get a job security. Whereas in private job, You never know when your company or your manager asks you to leave.
Yeah, I think we all have seen very clearly in this pandemic era, because in this pandemic there are many private jobs and they lost their job, and now they are at home. But in the government sector, they are still just good at their work.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes, so I'm also like that in favor of government job. But this is up to the person, as you mentioned, that it's up to the
Yeah,
person. Because many private jobs, they are, giving a very high salary, and they are also giving you many more good facilities. So that doesn't matter, I think. But yeah, this is a mentality, and this is a fact also. This is not a mentality. This is a fact that is better. Moreover, for your survival, for your life, there is job security, as you
absolutely.
mentioned. Yeah, right. Job security. That is the one thing. That's why people attract on this sector, and they want to be a government worker, an employer.
Absolutely, absolutely, no doubt. But still, there are few companies like big multinational companies, Microsoft, Google, big companies providing job security as well. At least
Yes.
they will give you like 2 to 3 months time.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Not all companies, but few. There are few companies.
Yes, why not? Everything, whatever we were doing in our life, so everything have their own advantage. Like if you are a
Hmm.
businessman, so a businessman, they are so good in their
Hmm.
place, and they can earn many more than a government worker. So that's not matter. That doesn't matter. Never. A politician, you can say politicians, they are also earning high salary and so much. So like this. So, now, as a common person, I'm thinking, so
1 minute. 1 minute.
okay, okay,
Sorry for the interference.
no, no problem. Yeah, I
Okay.
think,
Yeah, we are
yeah,
running short of time. I think we should call for the day.
yeah, yeah.
And it was wonderful
Always.
talking to you. I would suggest you to keep talking. Try
Yes.
to put yourself in such situation where you have to speak. Although I did not try to rectify you. You made few mistakes while speaking, because I did not want you to stop.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
But definitely, if we get connected next time, I would try to correct you while speaking.
Yeah, yeah, why not? Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah, so that's a
have a
nice connection.
great time. Sure, sure. Same here. Have a great time. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.